Well, I had a hard time getting the orientation sorted on my iPhone. There's a button in the control center that locks it. It took me a while to figure it out, and then even then I had to do a hard restart to get the thing sorted out. So I haven't been doing many videos because I've been aggravated about that. So I'm doing this roofing project, and you see how I've taken off the tiles here. Well, I started taking them off over on this side, and then that whole piece started wobbling a little bit. So what I've done is put a couple of boards on there, and I'm going to open this joint here. I started with the little Ryobi just to see if it would do anything, and it did actually really good with the new diamond blade on there. So I think I'm going to invest in. I've seen some bigger diamond blade. That's about 38 mil. It did a nice job, and it got into those tight spots. But then you look at the difference. See, I did with the Ryobi like this, and then with the diamond grinder wheel, it's all over the place. But bigger the better in a way. Then I wanted to see if I could just rake that mortar with the mortar rake. Got the first aid kit out here, rebandaging my finger. Been about 2.5 weeks now. Tomorrow will be 3 weeks since I stuck it in the table saw. Yikes, it's getting there. So anyway, I tried to use the mortar rake, but that's a small joint, and it's hard. It's hard. So that's why I'm going to get on it with the wind's blowing a little bit, so it's going to help settle the dust, but it's going to be a mess anyway you look at it. So got my safety visor on, hard hat safety visor, not hard hat, and I'm drinking iced tea with a little bit of lemon, and we're talking about record-breaking heat wave in the UK, and boy, it's a lot of work. Man, they did some work on these eaves. It's going to be interesting piling all that mortar up there, and I was wondering where, see that little break in the blocks there? I was wondering where I was going to get a block, but I realized we're tearing down the inside, so I can hopefully get one of those and stick it in that little spot there. And I've ordered some underlay from JJ Roofing. I was trying to get the DuPont stuff, but the one I wanted was not in stock. So there we are. I got to get on with the grinder, get that joint open. It's Friday, and that'll be setting for a couple of days over the weekend to be nice and strong. And if I can't have time, I'm gonna do something. Oh, that's right, on some sort of thing here. What is that? I don't know what that is. Is that steel? It's a steel piece of steel in there. It's the same height as the one I'm on, isn't it? Yes. So I gotta do something with that in here too. Okay, well, got lots of stuff to do. This is I started on this job on Tuesday, and it's Friday, so we'll be back on Monday. Thanks for watching.